Hi, I'm Larry Muty, and I'm going to be doing everything Autoharp at Greenwood Furnace Folk Gathering this coming September. Hope you'll join us at this really exciting event for folk musicians. I'll be doing several different things. First and foremost, most important probably, is that I'll be leading a session on try an Autoharp. So for those of you who've never held an Autoharp in your hands, this will be your chance to try one out. We'll have a bunch of them available for you to give it a go, and I'll give you some basic strummings, and we'll choose some easy tunes that we can sing and play along to. It should be a lot of fun. I'll also be co-leading a singing jam with Kathy Petrosans between 1:15 and 2:15 on Saturday afternoon, and then again a singing jam based on the lyrics found in Rise Up Singing on Sunday morning. If you've got a copy of Rise Up Singing, bring it along, your dog-eared copy and all, so that we can pick out tunes to share together. For those of you who've already had a go at playing the Autoharp, but are longing to do something a little bit more than just basic strumming, I'll be leading an Autoharp intensive on Friday afternoon. We'll do a little bit of exploring about strumming patterns, about chord substitutions, about various ways you can make your Autoharp playing a little bit more interesting, and even tune selection to make it a little bit more interesting. So come on out to Greenwood Furnace Folk Gathering and give us a listen, give us a play, and have a good time. And it's okay to make mistakes.